This is worksheet 13.5 and we're looking at simplifying complex numbers on 19 and 20. This is a rational expression that has complex numbers in it. In order to rewrite this in a simplified way, we don't want to have a complex number in the denominator. So we want to get rid of the imaginary part. In order to do that, we're going to multiply this expression on both the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. Conjugate means you're switching the sign of the imaginary part only. So 6 plus 2i is the conjugate of 6 minus 2i. So using the distributive property by FOIL, we can multiply these all together. And same on the denominator, by using FOIL, we can multiply these together. Okay, we then need to simplify here negative 12, and this is 8 times negative 1. So negative 12 and negative 8 add to negative 20. And negative 4 plus 24 is 20i. Then in the denominator, the imaginary parts cancel, which is what we wanted. 36, and then this becomes a positive 4, so that becomes 40. So our final reduced answer, these are all divisible by 20. So negative 1 plus I divided by 2. All right, I'm also going to look at number 20. The conjugate that we need to multiply by is 1 minus 9i on the top and the bottom. Here on the top, we don't need to FOIL, but we still need to use distributive property. So that's 2i minus 18i squared. And then in the denominator, you're FOILing conjugates. So what happens is the outer and the inner end up canceling. So that's 1 minus, this is a 81i squared. So let's simplify this even further. 2i, this is a negative 18 times a negative 1, which is positive 18 plus 2i, over 1 minus 81i squared, that's equivalent to 1 plus 81, which is 82. These are all divisible by 2. So I'm going to divide everything by 2. I get 9 plus I over 41.